Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start right now, pick the correct replacement tip size, and set your tools within reach. Grip the earbud body, not the cable, because pulling the cable can damage wires. Once you see the lip or groove on the nozzle, pinch the old rubber between thumb and forefinger and pull straight off with steady pressure. Twisting slightly helps release adhesive. Make sure to keep the removed tip for comparison so you match diameter and inner core shape with the new one. Once the old tip is off, clean the nozzle to ensure a snug fit and clear sound. You want to remove wax and oils. Use a small amount of 70% rubbing alcohol on a swab and let it dry fully. Now align the replacement tip concentrically with the nozzle, then push it on firmly until it seats. You may feel a slight snap when the internal ring passes the lip. Make sure to test different sizes because a correct seal changes bass response and isolation. You're almost done. Play music and wear the earbud for a couple minutes to confirm fit, balance, and bass response. If the tip slips or rotates, remove it and reseat firmly or swap to a size with a tighter grip. Some designs need a slightly thicker core to lock on. If sound is muffled, clean the nozzle again and compare inner diameters. Mismatch can block sound. Finally, make sure to test both ears so you don't miss an asymmetric issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.